this session we will see what we mean by a digraph. Okay, so last session we saw what was a consonant blend. Okay, so when two consonants come together and you hear the sound of both the consonants, we call that as a consonant blend. So what do we mean by a digraph or a consonant digraph? Okay, when two consonants, when they come together and they make just one sound, we call them as a digraph. When two consonants come, it is known as a consonant digraph. So here you know that this says the k sound and this says the h sound. So when you have the k and the h coming together to make one sound of ch, 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 we call this as a consonant digraph. Remember, the C says k and the H says h. And when they come together, they say ch, ch. The C says k and the H says h. And when they come together, they say ch, ch. Okay, so that's the funda of a consonant digraphs. Two consonants coming together but ending up making one sound.